Hi, this is Jay Jenkins with Pearson Education, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find timestamp information on assignments that students are completing. So whether you're in modified mastering or in standard mastering, the navigation may be slightly different in how you get to these areas. However, the function and feature set is the same. So the first thing you want to do is you want to navigate to the gradebook. Once inside the gradebook, you'll choose the assignment that the student has completed that you want to check out the timestamp information on. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose this one right here. The first thing you'll see is over in the finished column when these items were actually completed, and you can see the date and the time that these were completed by the student. Now if I wanted to go in and see more detail on the information, I can click an actual item. So now once I've clicked into that actual item, I can see what the item was, what the assignment was. I can see when it was completed, how many correct answers, wrong answers, hints were required, and things like that for the student. I can see when the student started. So here's the first timestamp. They started on February 8th. And then I can see when they finished. And then the duration is how much time this particular item was open on their screen for the amount of time that they were here. Now you'll notice here that this student worked it basically within 2 minutes from 10:24 to 10:26. However, even if they went away and came back and finished it on maybe February 9th or something like that, the duration would still show you the amount of time the student actually spent on the actual item. And then down below, you can actually view the answers that were put into the system. And so if I click on the View Proposed, it will then show me what the actual answer was that the student put in, and they got it correct on the first try. So there's no other wrong answer choices. However, if there were, we'd be able to see those. So we can go check another one if we want now. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on and go back by closing out this window. I'm in a new assignment, but I'm going to go ahead and click on this item to show you what it looks like when a student has completed an item that's not 100%. So we can see this particular item. Let's click on that. And again, we see our timestamp data at the top, when they started, when they finished, how much time they spent on the actual item while it was open on their screen. Then I get to go down and I can see each particular item and each answer. So I can see on this one, they proposed an answer that was incorrect at 8:19:03, and then they got the correct answer at 8:19:17. So they're pretty quick in answering this and getting it correct. And I can continue to scroll down, and you can see the same exact information for each one of these items. And the timestamp data is next to each answer. And that's how you can go into an assignment and per individual student and see the timestamp information. You can also export an average of the time spent on assignments by going back to the gradebook and clicking on Manage. And then from here, you'll want to export the gradebook data. And you'll choose Export Times. And when you do that, you'll get a CSV file or an Excel file that can be opened up in Excel or on Google Sheets or whatnot that will show you the time average data like this. So you can see the assignment name, then you can see the amount of time that the student spent on it. So this particular student spent 22 minutes on this assignment. This one spent 19. This one was 33. This one was 21. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can then see an average time that the class spent on those particular assignments. And that's how you can get your timestamp data or time on task data for a mastering, modified, or standard assignment. I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a great day.